Would you quit your job if it wasn't for the paycheck you got every 2 weeks? If the answer to that is yes, give me 30 seconds, because if people understood just one simple concept about money, they would never be trapped in a job they hated ever again. Because I remember it like it was yesterday, sitting in my cubicle at my job as an accountant at 8 p.m. on a Friday, getting texts from my friends telling me to come meet them out for a concert while I was stuck doing a financial audit. I will never forget that moment. I remember the fluorescent light above my head was flickering. I remember I could literally smell the musty scent of my cubicle walls. And I remember hearing my boss talking to one of our directors about how I needed to improve my social skills and my people skills. And I remember that exact moment, I thought to myself, is this really what I'm meant to be doing with my life? Is this really going to be my destiny? And it was at that exact moment that I decided I needed to do something drastic to completely change my life. And from that exact moment until right now, I started an online business, and my car right here represents to me and to anyone that no matter where you are in the world and no matter what you're doing, if you're truly willing to invest in yourself and get the right mentorship, you can completely change your life. And since that moment, in just a few short months, I went from a number crunching accountant to buying my dream car and my dream house here in San Diego and being featured in Entrepreneur, The Wall Street Journal, and Forbes. But I'm not talking to you right now to talk about me. I'm talking to you right now to prove to you that anyone, anywhere, no matter what their current circumstances are, can completely change their life if they know how. Because, you know, it's funny, one of my mentors asked me, Kevin, do you know why most people stay poor their entire lives working the same 9-to-5 job? Because they think everything is a scam. They think making money on the internet is a scam. They think anyone selling a course trying to teach people to improve their lives is a scammer. They think anybody who owns a Lamborghini probably rents it. And they literally cannot possibly believe that somebody in less than 1 year can go from a dead-end number crunching accountant to creating their dream life, their dream car, and their dream house. And you know, those words from my mentor gave me motivation every single morning, waking up early and hustling. Every single night, staying up late, hustling on my online business, because I knew that I had to do something drastic to really create the life that I wanted. And the craziest part is literally from that one single moment, I made a real commitment to myself. My entire life changed. And now I made it my life mission to help every single person I possibly can escape that 9-to-5 job that they hate. Escape that feeling of worrying about bills to pay. Escape that feeling of dreading going to work. Escape that feeling of regret, waking up 40 years later, regretting not investing in yourself and not actually taking action to create the life you want. And this week only, guys, I'm hosting a completely free training. For the first time ever, I'm gonna be pulling back the curtain, showing you guys exactly how I was able to go from a number crunching 9-to-5 accountant, hating my life, depressed, sitting in a cubicle, to this exact moment where I have a flourishing Amazon business and I'm able to do whatever I want, whenever I want. Yes, the money is great, but really what matters to me most is the freedom to be able to spend more time with my friends and family and travel the world and never ever again having to worry about what my boss is saying to me or my boss telling me anything. And so if you're interested in hearing more about how you can start your own Amazon business today on our completely free training, then what I suggest you do is take just 1 minute to listen to a few testimonials of some of my amazing students who started as complete beginners, tell you about their experience, and then I recommend you click learn more so you can take the first step to changing your life forever. Thanks for listening, guys, and let's take a quick listen to some of my students, and I hope to see all of you inside the family soon.
All right, guys, those that don't know me, my name is Britt. I just got in from Tokyo, and I'm here at NinjaCon 2018, NinjaCon #1, and I plan to be in every single one of them after this. For those that don't already know me, I have a degree in neuroscience. I wasted over $100,000 getting that degree. It has done nothing for me, and I was lucky enough to stumble upon Kevin in about July 2017, started the course, and from July until now, February 2018, I can honestly say I'm about $2,000 from paying off my $126,000 student loan debt.
This is the best place to get out of corporate, be your own person, be successful, and be happy, finally free from all the burdens of corporate and endless, worthless jobs. This is the place to be. My experience with Kevin has been amazing. He's humble, fun, and he knows what the hell he's talking about.
And he really does care about his students, and I think that that is really one of the main things that differentiates him from a lot of the other e-commerce gurus, is he actually does care about his students, and he tries to give each and every one of us as much personal attention and mentorship that we need to actually be successful. So if you really do put in the work and you take the time to learn and actually take the course seriously, it does, impact your life, and it will change your situation. So again, I'm super grateful for everyone here and for just the entire experience. We really are more than just a group, we're a family, and I know that sounds crazy because we're just a bunch of people that met on the internet, but this experience and being a part of this really has changed my life. So big shout out to Kevin and everyone in the group. I love you and I am so grateful for each and every one of you.
What's up guys, Casey Goss here, CEO of Viral Launch. I just wanted to thank Kevin for allowing me to come to NinjaCon. Absolutely an amazing event. This guy cares so much about his audience. I think he has so much energy and is just so focused on bringing so much value to his group. This is not a guy who is just sharing, a bunch of fluff to fill content. He's not sharing, what the latest rumor is. This is a guy who is constantly testing everything, making sure that he understands the nitty-gritty details so that he can give you actionable insight that you can go and leverage to improve your business.
Man, he's a genuine guy, you know what I mean? When I hear him speak, even on YouTube and such, it's the things that he was saying that he was truly trying to help people to leave their 9-to-5 and to, become successful. So it comes across so easily just in video. And that's been the greatest thing. It's just how genuine he is and how he's really trying to help other people.
Just a month ago, I jumped into the course and I can honestly say that I am so happy that I did, that I made that jump because I just know that this is where it's at. I know that this is what's gonna change my life completely. And I have Kevin and this amazing community that's gonna support me because I've met so many people already and it is the best thing that's ever happened. And these people will absolutely help me pull through. They will be there for me every step of the way and I just am so grateful. Kevin, the group, everything, Black Belt Ninjas, this is what it is. This is where it's at.
What's going on everybody? My name is Drew. I'm here at NinjaCon 2018. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about my experience here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It has been awesome, absolutely amazing. It's literally our Ninja family came to life here at Puerto Vallarta. Kevin himself was probably the biggest surprise. He relates to everything that I relate to, wants the same goals, and there's nothing better than being around a group of people that have similar passions as you, and you want to live that life that you always dreamed of and not just want to watch other people live. So I made that decision. Kevin just kind of boosted us, gave us encouragement that we needed in order to make it happen. And that's the other thing, being personable. Kevin is all about that. Being normal, being personable, being one-on-one. He will talk to you as if you and I are the only one in the room, and that's what I love about him the most.
Now, as a new entrepreneur, my two biggest hesitancies were fear and time management, and Kevin has wiped that disbelief from my mind. He is my overcomer. He has let me overcome anything that I thought would hold me back.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm here at NinjaCon, and it's amazing. I met Kevin. I actually started watching him on YouTube about 2 months ago, and I just couldn't stop watching him. I literally watched him for hours straight, and I felt like I already knew him, and he's very personable, and he's just a young person like us, wanting to have fun, wanting to make money, wanting to strive and be successful, and I can relate to that, and I aspire to be like him.
This man is incredible. He's literally changed my life, and I don't even take his course. So I can only imagine what he'd do for someone like you. This guy cares about you, he wants you to best, and he truthfully wants you to leave that 9-to-5 behind. So take his course, follow him on YouTube. He's gonna change your life just like he has mine.
Kevin's a great guy. He's built an amazing community. He's helped me along my journey. It's been unbelievable. I just think you can't really understand how helpful and wonderful all the people that he's put and brought together are. There's over 1,000 of us in the Amazon Black Belt group, and it's amazing how much everyone's helping each other. Kevin has personally responded to my questions multiple times. I've messaged him at 10:30 at night and 6:30 in the morning. It's fantastic. He gets back to you. The amount of stuff that he responds to, he's a superhuman guy. Really nice, and he's genuinely out there caring for his students. And coming here to NinjaCon, meeting everyone in person, it's been an unbelievable experience. I would encourage anyone to join the family.